Down by the rainbow, what did I see? A parrot singing out to me.
A turtle smiling slow and wise, he showed the colors in the skies.
A rabbit hopping fast and free, he waved his paw and danced with glee. A monkey swinging, giggle and cheer, he tossed bananas far and near.
Yay, bata!
A duck was quacking, splash in the stream, she made the water sparkle and gleam. A cow was mooing, soft and sweet, she clapped her hooves to the rainbow beat. A dog was barking, happy and loud, he wagged his tail to please the crowds.
A cat was purring, curled in the sun. She sang a tune. Oh, what fun!
A horse was trotting, strong and tall, he painted rainbows for us all.
Yay, that was so much fun! Give this video a big thumb up and hit that rainbow subscribe button. See you next time!